Hi everybody, this week video will be a Christmas decoration. First we will cast on the machine with red color yarn by casting one in the front, one in the back for the first row. Don't panic because the yarn changed color. It's because I forgot to put record on the red color yarn. So don't worry, it will work. So I do 15 rows. And then when I reach 15 rows, I will cast off my machine by removing it stitch by stitch. There. It's stuck there. I will have to fix that. So, remove all the work. Crank the machine a little bit more to release the stitch from the machine. Pull on your string of yarn, stretch. You will close and secure one side like this. There, I do a knot. Put my mason jar lid inside of it, and then I will pull on the other piece of yarn to close it. I was looking for the piece of yarn. There. So if you want, you could put some potpourri in it, so it will smell good in the house, on the tree, or even on your mirror in the car. So I will continue. I close both sides of it. Now I will do the belt. For the belt, I didn't do anything complicated. I just grab one stitch, skip one, and come back on the same stitch. Keep a tail of yarn at the beginning to close it at the end. Always do that. So you go under, skip one stitch, and you come back on your stitch. There, and come back on your stitch. And you stay on the same row all the way. Okay? Oops, did a mistake here. It's okay. I will fix that. So better now than too late in the project. So I will start over. There. Wrong one. I pick on the wrong stitch. Oh, no. Okay. So I skip one stitch and come back on it. And keep on the same rows. So I will put that a little bit faster because I think you understand what I did. Come back. And there you go. Yeah. Like this. And I will do a second row of the belt. But if you want, you could go in the same exact row that we did at the beginning, and it will give you more thickness to your belt, like I did for this one. I did twice on the same rows with the black. So I will do the buckle of the belt now. So I will go and come back. I do an X under my work, so that way I could reach all the corner of the square that I do. So I keep a little bit of the tail when I start to use that at the end to close my work. Almost finished. Fix that. I have to make sure that you're good, and you always take your needle in the same stitches. There. So now it's great. I will attach those two tail of yarn with a double knot. Don't go too tight for the first. You don't want to change the shape of your project. So you could just add a hanging cord on it and hanging on your Christmas tree. There. I wish you a great Christmas. and see you next week for another video on my channel. I do one video every week, so don't miss it. Ciao ciao.